Let's see what Oikos 000 yogurt does to your blood sugar. This is 90 calories per serving, 7 grams of carbs, 5 grams of sugars, 0 added sugars, 15 grams of protein. I'm very interested in seeing what happens to my glucose levels. I have the Stelo Monitor app, and I am fasted. I'm about 85 milligrams per deciliter right now. And let's dig in and see what happens after 2 hours. All right, guys, all done. Let's circle back in 2 hours and see the results. Cool. All right, guys, so I'm back in my Stelo app. 2 hours has passed by. It looks like I started off with 84 milligrams per deciliter. Then 2 hours later, it dropped down to 80 milligrams per deciliter, down 4 points. Now, it did get as high as 87 milligrams per deciliter. Kind of seeing the small text there in the about middle of the screen. But that's only up 3 points. This is pretty impressive with being 90 calories, which I think is a lot for this small amount of food, and 15 grams of protein. I'm pretty happy with this. Definitely a keeper for me. Hopefully this helps you on your guidance for what might impact your glucose levels. Leave a comment if you want me to try any foods, beverages, or activities and show the results. And then subscribe if you want to see results from other people's requests. I will continue doing this for quite a bit of time, and I look forward to doing it. All right, guys, bye.